Зрение.
Eyesight, vision.
У него хорошее зрение.
He has good eyesight.
Попросить.
To ask, to request.
Я хочу попросить помощи.
I want to ask for help.
Генерал.
General, military rank.
Генерал пришел на встречу.
The general came to the meeting.
Состоять.
To consist of, to be composed of.
Салат состоит из овощей.
The salad consists of vegetables.
Огонь.
Fire.
Огонь горит в камине.
The fire is burning in the fireplace.
Отдать.
To give back, to hand over.
Он отдал книгу другу.
He gave the book to his friend.
Боевой.
Combat, fighting, brave.
У него боевой характер.
He has a fighting spirit.
Понятие.
Concept, notion.
Это простое понятие.
It is a simple concept.
Строительство.
Construction, building.
Строительство нового дома началось.
The construction of the new house has begun.
Ухо.
Ear.
У него болит ухо.
His ear hurts. Support us. And buy us a coffee.